Hello and welcome. I'm Delana and I am your soundologist for today. And soundology is simply just what I call being a sound therapist. We're going to make some music. We're going to bring in those vibrations and we're going to let them sink into our soul, and we're going to feel all the wonderful juicy feelings of love and light that we are. All right? So, first, we're going to make some space and we're going to get our bodies all prepared for these juicy little sounds, okay? All right, so we're going to do that by taking some cleansing breaths. Are you ready? All right, so we're going to breathe in and breathe out. And feel free to make a sound because your body is like a tuning fork. You know, it likes sound. It likes to be sound. It likes to be in sound. All right, so breathing in one more time. All right, now we're going to take this third breath and we're going to pretend as if we're bringing breath from the bottom of our feet all the way up through our body, past our head, and then back down again. All right, let's do this. All right, here we go. Breathing in. How'd you do? Were you able to breathe a little deeper that time? Awesome. I hope so. All right. So now for the fun part. I'm going to play my HandPan. The HandPan is this wonderful, unique looking flying saucer thing. The sound comes out the bottom. And the keys are these little round circles. All right? They're really more oblongs, but whatever. All right, here we go. All you have to do, sit back, listen. That's the HandPan. Feel free to close your eyes if you'd like. And back to our breath. Imagine that you are breathing in these sounds. And every time you exhale, you're releasing a little bit more stress, allowing your body to become lighter, your mind to be more drifty, shall we say. This is one of those times when I wholeheartedly encourage having your heads in the clouds. Breathing in calm, exhaling worry. Allowing yourself to be conscious of your belly as the air comes in, filling you up and carrying away the stress with every exhale. All right. Let's take a big stretch. Kind of move those shoulders about. Take another big deep breath in with me and let it out with a sigh. One more time. Breathing in. And again. Breathing all the way in from the bottom of your feet. Thank you so much for joining me for this little musical moment, wind and sound, and I hope that you enjoyed this as much as I did, and that you remember to just take a moment and breathe no matter what you're doing. All right? Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for just being you, just bringing the light that you are into this world and sharing it with us. Thank you. Until next time, in love, light, and sound. Bye for now.